Jamaica Society for the Blind's Tech Tips.
Hi, we're back with you again for another week of Tech Tips. This week we'll be looking at artificial intelligence or AI for your phones, so stay tuned. So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence performed by machines, especially computer systems. The process includes learning of the skill of information and the rules for using information, reasoning using words to reach near or definite conclusions, and self-correction. You know, as hard as we try to train as many blind and visually impaired persons to use their smart devices, some persons just find it difficult to grasp the gestures of their screen readers. So these artificial intelligence apps go a far way in helping them. These apps are so good, even sighted people use them.
Wow.
There are several AI apps out there for us to use, right? But this week we're going to focus on the two main ones, Siri and Google Assistant.
Siri is a virtual assistant that can be found on various Apple products. This app is able to take voice commands and carry out tasks for the user.
These tasks include things like setting alarms, reminders, make calls, sending text messages, spelling words, finding out scores in different sporting events, and even finding out the time in other countries. Really? Didn't know that one. How does it work? In the Siri settings, you can choose how to summon Siri. Most persons set it to use the home button, so just press and hold the home button, and then Siri will indicate by sound that it's ready. Speak your command or query while Siri listens, and then wait for your answer. If your question is not clear, then Siri will ask you to repeat. These questions and problems will reduce over time as Siri gets used to your voice. The conversation with Siri can be so real-time that it seems like you're talking to a real person. Siri is only available though on the iOS platform.
Google Assistant. Assistant is Google's artificial intelligence app. This app supports both typed and voice commands. The app is very similar to Siri in how it is used. When you first install the app, you will choose how you summon Assistant. After you have done this, you will then have a conversation with the app so it can learn your voice. You can even teach it to call you by name. Hi,
Damien. How can I help?
Assistant is similar to Siri in how it works. Just summon the app and ask it anything. You can ask it things like, what will be the weather in my city tomorrow? You can ask it to spell words, solve math problems, say words in another language. What is good night in German?
In German, you would say Gute Nacht.
And they say in the near future, you can even ask it to book your flights.
Wow.
Experts say that Assistant is a lot better than Siri in how it reacts and how quickly it gives a response. Do you think you're better than Siri?
I just try to be the best me I can be.
Surprisingly, Assistant is available on both the iOS and Android platforms. The world at large is leaning towards artificial intelligence as it makes life easier for us as human beings. As blind and visually impaired persons, we too should make use of it.
Have you tried both of these apps? Which do you prefer? The debate rages on.
Send us your feedback on how these artificial intelligent apps have aided you in your everyday life.
Jamaica Society for the Blind's Tech Tips, empowering the blind and visually impaired through technology.
Want more of these weekly tech tips? Then subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments, like, and share.
This has been a production of the JSB Library.